Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make stickers using your iPad and Procreate. So first you'll want to find an image you want to use. I found this one that I like, so I'm going to long hold on it and select Save Image, and it should save to my iPad. Next I want to remove the green background, so I'm going to go to remove.bg, select Upload Image, Photo Library, and it's this one here. So I'm going to select Use. And the background should be automatically deleted. After the background is removed, I'm going to select Download and then select Open In and Procreate. So now in Procreate, I should have this here. I did notice that it didn't erase some of this green, so I'm just going to go in with the eraser tool up here. So here you can adjust the size. Okay, and this looks good. Since this is a little big, I'm going to select the arrow tool and crop it down a little bit. And next I want to add some text. So I'm going to select the gear, select add text, and here you can change the font. Procreate does already have a few fonts, but you can download some from dafont.com, so let me show you how to do that. If we go to dafont.com, here's the main page. You can search for a font that you like, or you can just scroll around and look for one that you like. I like this Bird Love one, so I'm going to select Download. Download at the bottom. I'm going to select Open In, Downloads, and then I'm going to select this, and a blue folder should show up. So here I'm going to open the file and then select Bird Love TFF and share to Procreate. That way it'll import the font. So now I can search for it. Bird Love right here. Here I can change the color. So let's say I want black. And if we go to the keyboard, we can type in what we want. So Disney World. And then we can select this arrow to move it to where we want it to be. See right here. And once you're happy with the placement, you can deselect the background color. It just means that it's transparent, so it's a little easier to see things. I'm going to add a new layer and drag it to the bottom, so above background layer. I'm going to change this color to white because I'm going to create a white outline, and I'm going to use the monoline brush in calligraphy. You can choose how big you want to use your brush. Here is where you'll have to draw in the outline yourself. And once you're happy with it, you can drag this in behind so it fills in the entire layer. And you can also go in to adjust anything. So I noticed that here the Y didn't really have enough space, so I can go in and add more. Once you're happy with how it looks, I'm going to select the gear at the top, select Share and PNG. And if we scroll down a little bit, it'll say Save Image, so that'll save it to your iPad. If you don't want to draw in the white outline, you can, so I'm just going to deselect this. You can use this image and upload it to Photopea. So when I deselect it, the white background goes away so I don't see it. I'm going to select the gear again, PNG, and again I'm going to save the image. But this time I'm going to use Photopea to create that outline. So I'm going to select Open from Computer, Photo Library. It should be the most recent one, and select Add. So now I'm going to select Layer, Layer Style, Stroke, and here you can add how big or how small you want the layer to be. And then we're going to select white and hit OK. If you need to undo anything, you can select Edit and select Step Backward. So see, my white background is gone now. And if you need to redo something, you can select Edit and Step Forward. So now my white background's here. So either way would work. I do personally prefer Photopea just because it's more even, but it's up to you. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!